micro suturing in a rubber glove model. Positioning of the body and upper limb. You have to make room for your legs. Your feet should be directly under the table and flat, so remove obstacles that get in the way. Sit so that your head and body remain balanced with a straight neck and back, and the weight of your body is squarely with your center of mass, directly above your ischial tuberosity and upper thigh. Your neck must be tension-free as you look down the eyepiece. Position of the hand. You must have a stable base. Make sure the ulnar border of your both forearms and wrist are rested on the table. Create a stable base by extending both little and ring fingers and forming a long base on the ulnar border to create support for the hands. Feel the weight of your upper limb going through the distal half of your forearm, but feel the light touch of the table in your ulnar border of the hand, wrist and little finger. Your forearms must lie passively on the table, completely at rest, using no upper extremity muscles to maintain your position. Do not lean on your elbows to stabilize your body. You will notice under the microscope that both the microneedle holder and the microforceps held by your hands have minimal movement. Positioning of the field. Orientation of cut. It should be along the orientation of cut. Positioning of tissue. Tissue should be at 90 degrees to the needle tip.